Certainly. If you're looking for information about a person driving in a city in Colombia, it's important to note that driving conditions and practices can vary depending on the specific city. Colombia has several major cities, each with its own traffic patterns and driving culture. Here are a few general aspects that might be relevant. Cartagena, Colombia, is home to several historically significant churches that reflect the city's rich cultural and architectural heritage. One notable church in Cartagena is the Cathedral Basilica Metropolitana de Santa Catalina de Alejandría, commonly known as Cartagena Cathedral. Here are some key points about this historical church. Helicoidal Bridge in Risaralda, Colombia. The Caucara Valley, located in the Andes Mountains of Colombia, is renowned for its stunning landscapes and particularly for the towering wax palm trees, Ceroxylon pinduens, which are the tallest palm trees in the world. These trees, reaching heights of up to 60 meters, approximately 200 feet, create a unique and picturesque scenery, especially when set against the backdrop of the surrounding mountains. Valledupar is a city in northern Colombia, and while it is not known for its mountainous landscapes, it does offer some beautiful natural areas and parks. The region is more characterized by its plains and the Sierra Nevada de Santa Marta mountain range, which is not far from Valledupar. If you're looking for a park and mountain landscape near Valledupar, you might want to explore the following possibilities. Valledupar is a city in northeastern Colombia, known for its cultural richness and as the cradle of vallenato music. If you're looking for parks to visit in Valledupar, here are a couple of options. The Amazon rainforest covers a vast area, including parts of Colombia. While there are some roads and trails that traverse the Amazon jungle in Colombia, it's important to note that the region is primarily characterized by dense and challenging terrain. The Amazon rainforest is known for its biodiversity and often remains largely untouched by human development. Comuna 13, also known as San Javier, is a neighborhood in the city of Medellín, Colombia. Historically, Comuna 13 has faced social and economic challenges, including poverty and violence. However, in recent years, the neighborhood has undergone a significant transformation, becoming a symbol of positive change and community resilience. Cesar Gaviria Trujillo is a Colombian politician who served as the President of Colombia from 1990 to 1994. If there's a viaduct named after him, it might be a recent infrastructure project or development. To get the most accurate and up-to-date information about the Cesar Gaviria Trujillo Viaduct, I recommend checking local news sources, official government announcements, or contacting relevant local authorities or transportation departments in Colombia.